Welcome to Tech and Home Chronicles, where smart living meets simple solutions. It's Cleaning Thursdays, the day we look at the tools that make tackling messes a whole lot easier. Today we're checking out the Kaboom Toilet Cleaning System, a drop-in tank cleaner designed to keep your toilet fresh with little effort. Let's break down the good and the bad so you can decide if it's worth it. The good starts with convenience. Instead of scrubbing every few days, the Kaboom system attaches inside the toilet tank and automatically releases cleaning solution every time you flush. It helps keep the bowl clean and stain-free for weeks, reducing the need for constant manual cleaning. Installation is quick and tool-free. Just attach it inside the tank, connect the tube, and drop in a cartridge. The cartridges are long-lasting, typically providing up to 3 months of cleaning per refill, and they help prevent hard water buildup and stains around the bowl. On the downside, the system relies on replacement cartridges, so there's an ongoing cost. The cleaning is effective for maintenance, but doesn't always reach under the rim as thoroughly as manual scrubbing. And while it reduces cleaning frequency, it won't completely eliminate the need for occasional deep cleaning. So, is it worth it? If you want a hands-off way to maintain a cleaner toilet and cut back on frequent scrubbing, the Kaboom Toilet Cleaning System is a solid choice. But for a spotless result, you'll still need to supplement it with occasional manual cleaning. Check the description for the product link and possible deals. And as always, do your own research before buying. Like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews. We cover a new category every day of the week, right here on Tech and Home Chronicles. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.